Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of your learning for higher chemistry. This video is to give you an overview of your learning for day 1, which if you're in 5B is Monday, and if you're in 5E is Wednesday. Okay, so your learning for day 1 is split into 2 lessons. Lesson 9 is on the topic of skincare. So this is a new topic for everyone, and it is the final topic in Unit 2B, Nature's Chemistry. Okay, so part A of the lesson will take you roughly an hour, and you have a video to watch which takes you through the key learning for the lesson. So as you're watching the video, you should be taking notes in your notes jotter, and pause the video as you need. So if you miss something, if you need to go back over something, you can stop the video, you can go back to that section and watch it again. So take your time going through it and picking up the key learning of the topic. Okay, when you're finished with the video and your notes, you may want to go to your Unit 2B booklets. The learning in this lesson relates to pages 11 and 12 in the booklet, so you might want to read over those pages and highlight them just to keep your notes up to date. Okay, now if you finish the skincare lesson and you're interested in doing a bit of extension work, then there is an optional task to finish. There's a link here to a TED Talk on YouTube, which is talking about some current research using UVC light, which is something we'll talk about in the skincare lesson, to fight superbugs, so things like MRSA in hospitals. Okay, it's not required, but if you are interested and you want to find out a little bit more about some current research in this area, then you can give it a watch. Okay, so then on to lesson 10. This is your learning check. So again, it's split into 2 parts. Part A is a shorter task, so this should take you about 20 minutes or so. What you'll find in the resources on Teams is a skincare mind map. Okay, so the mind map is on one page, and it has questions covering the key learning of the skincare topic, which you'll have worked on in the previous lesson. There's various different ways you can complete this. There's a PowerPoint version, so you can edit the PowerPoint, you can type your answers in, or if you have a printer at home, you can print off a copy of the mind map and fill it in. Or if you prefer, you can just copy the questions in the mind map into a page of your jotter, or do it in a bit of paper. Whatever way you would like to complete it is absolutely fine. Okay, a good idea for doing the mind map is using it to check your learning. So once you've completed lesson 9, you should try the mind map without looking at your notes, without looking at the video, see what you've remembered from the lesson, and then if there's questions you're stuck at, you can go back and check your notes. Alright, and when you have finished the mind map, you should upload a picture of it or a copy of it via Show My Homework, and that is your submission for today's lesson. Okay, and finally you have part B of lesson 10, so this will take you around 40 minutes, and you have some booklet questions to try. So this covers multiple choice questions, past paper questions, extended response, and gives you some really good practice of the learning. Okay, so as you're working through the lesson on Monday or Wednesday, make sure you message on Teams if you have any questions during the lesson time, or out with lesson times you can always message your teacher on Show My Homework or by email. Okay, I hope you enjoy your learning today, and any problems, please get in touch. Bye.